everyone knows Shelley Duvall, God rest her soul, was a style icon for the ages. Good gracious, the woman could have that shit on, if you know what I mean. One of her signature looks that we all know and love are those gorgeous dolly lashes on her under eye. You know, she took the Twiggy stamped on, drawn on under eyelashes to the next level with gorgeous falsies, I assume, and it's really difficult to recreate that today for some reason. What lashes she was using, I've never seen a style like that made by any modern company. However, I do have a couple of little cheat codes. Now, I'm just gonna give you a little step-by-step tutorial about how I do my fabulous under eyelashes a la Shelley Duvall. The first thing I do is do the rest of my makeup. My top lids, top lashes, let everything settle and perfect it if it needs perfecting. Then I get to work on the real money maker, which is the bottom lashes, which just elevate your level. Alright, so the first thing I do is I like to draw on a neutral, dark, cool-toned brown shade right under my lash line. In this video I am using actually a Theater Effects tight liner brush that is really effective for this, and I'm using the Forget Me Not palette by Blend Bunny. Blend Bunny lives up to its name, it's very blendable, the formula is really great, but I really love the colors of this Forget Me Not palette. It is so simple yet so quintessential, and they give you a buttload of each shade. As we know, those neutral palettes tend to run out very quickly, so I really appreciate the attention to detail and design of this particular palette. I believe it is $15 now on the Blend Bunny shop app. Don't get too many because I want another one, but I'm just putting that information out there for those interested. Now, once I've tight lined my under waterline, that is when I go in with a just ginger touch of what I'm using is Kiss Lash Strip Glue, and I'm dabbing the edges because I really don't want a big glob. That's a lesson I've had 29 years to learn, is don't use a shit ton of eyelash glue because it's not going to dry quickly, and if you're impatient like me, you'll stick your lash onto the glob of glue. It's going to go everywhere. Disgusting. So let's just keep it minimum, moderate, conservative even. Dot a mindful amount of glue right below your waterline. This is going to cover up and stick your natural lower lashes down to your face, basically, but it's okay unless you have really robust, thick, gorgeous, dark lower lashes, in which case you don't really need this tutorial because you're blessed by God. So once that glue is tacky, I usually then distract myself while the glue is getting tacky by doing something else in the makeup look. Again, I have a horrible attention span, ADHD to the max. I can't watch paint dry, so I gotta do something else while I let the glue dry. So that's what I do. Glue is dry, I come back, and the lashes I'm using in this case are some very demure and cute little manga lashes from Amazon. They are, I believe, Japanese or Chinese in origin and manufacture. They are dirt cheap on Amazon, fantastic for this kind of look. As you can see, they're really delicate, wispy, but long because they were intended to be top lashes for a more subtle look, but we're going for something dramatic, so we're putting them on the lower lash line. And the way to do that, you don't want to brute force smash your delicate little lashes into your strip of tacky glue. What you want to do is just gently coax it on bit by bit. You especially don't want to smash it against your skin because then it looks like painted on or stuck on lashes, and that's not what we want. We want it to look like it's coming naturally from our lower lash line as if we were blessed by God. That's the goal. Now, see how I'm kind of pushing the lashes up as they're sticking to the tacky line of glue I made? I'm just making sure that they're not sticking to my face. I'm making sure they're upright in lower lash position, just for that ultimate gorgeous dolly effect. The last thing I'll do is, if there are little bald spots in the dark shadow I've done on my under eyelash, I will just go in with that little tight line brush, touch up any areas to make it look a little more cohesive, and just kind of wait for everything to settle, perfect as needed, and you're done. And this is the final look. Last Goose lashes are a perfect solution for the Shelley Duvall shaped hole in our heart. Now, I will say, for a more dramatic Shelley Duvall under eyelash look for more dramatic manga lashes. Manga lashes, I think, are really synergistic, is that a word, with 60s dolly kind of looks. 60s dolly bird, 60s mod girl, even 60s hippie when you're trying to just have like kind of like a subtle little spiky top lash situation to just kind of blend seamlessly into your makeup and not take too much away from the outfit you're wearing. I can't sing the manga lash section on Amazon's praises enough. They have gotten me out of a scrape time and time again. I'm a big fan. Last Goose and Idevro are my favorite ones to use for lower lash, and sometimes I use them for top lash. I hope this little niche vintage inspired life hack is helpful to you, and I can't wait to see more Shelley Duvall lashes coming back in style. May she rest in peace. What an icon. Until next time, bye!